Intelligence quotient, commonly known as IQ, is a measure of person's logical and reasoning ability. It is a total score derived from a set of standard tests or subtests designed to assess human intelligence. If we talk of intelligence, we can divide it into two. The two basic parts, that is crystallized intelligence and fluid intelligence. Now, for these terms, if we talk of in layman language, crystallized intelligence means your ability to utilize information, skills, and already learned cerebral knowledge. Cerebral knowledge by the word means something related to brain, is a part of brain. And the ways to improve is by reading, listening to podcast, collecting facts, and learning more by reading and reading more. Fluid intelligence, by contrast, is the ability to identify patterns, solve problems, and use them in new situations. It's not about how much you know, it's more about your ability to be creative, aware, innovative, and visionary. Fluid intelligence is more about facts and figures, and it is about your capacity to take something you have never seen before and work with it. That is, to be more ingenious. It can be enhanced by meditation, while meditation is not just good for your physiological health, reducing stress, improving mood, and setting you up for emotional equilibrium rather than reactivity. Another way to improve fluid intelligence is by enhancing your critical thinking. The ways to improve your critical thinking are first being observation. Observation is the ability to notice and predict opportunities, problems, and solutions. Second, and very important, is analysis. The gathering, understanding, and interpreting of data, means collected data and other information. Third one is inference, that is, drawing conclusions based on relevant data, information, and personal knowledge and experiences from daily life. Fourth is again the most important aspect, that is communication. Communication is sharing and receiving information with others verbally, non-verbally, and in writing. Last but not the least is your problem solving etiquette. The process of gathering, analyzing, and communicating information to identify and troubleshoot solutions. Now, here on the figure, you can see there is a problem to be solved. Children, can you divide the figure into 4 equal parts? Yes, I know many of you can do it very well. Yes, on the screen you can see that this figure can be very well divided into 4 equal parts by making the divisions as shown in the figure. Intelligence quotient is your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is also known as EI or emotional quotient, that is EQ. Think it as your emotional IQ. These skills can also help with negotiating and conflict resolutions. As we can see that developing your IQ can have a positive impact on your physical life as well. We have probably heard of the term emotional intelligence way before. It is a way of thinking about how we impact the people around us. Many times you must have seen your parents being project managers and leaders. For them, it is very important to be conscious of the impact we are having or they are having so as to make the right impression at the right time. Emotional intelligence again can be improved by being more self-aware and relationship building. Also, by being more socially aware and many times being more empathetic.